Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another grocery haul and meal plan. Today I am at Walmart. I'm going to run in and get my groceries, and when I get done and home I will show you what I got.
Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the map? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came. For a while I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years.
Okay, so here's a look at everything I got. I did spend about $130. That was after I had, I think, about $11 in paper coupons. I got some out of the newspaper, and then I also print coupons from coupons.com. And then I also redeemed $5 off between Fetch and Ibotta. I will link both of those apps down below. I've been enjoying using them. Again, I used to be way more into coupons, and I just stopped. I think I stopped like right around the time we moved. And now I'm just trying to get back into it a little bit, not to like make a stockpile or anything, but just to try and get some good deals. So I'll start over here. We still had produce left from last week, so I didn't have to get a ton. We still have some oranges, some apples, some veggies, and some frozen fruit. So I did get some bananas. We were all out of those. And then 4 navel oranges. These were, I think, 58 cents a piece or something like that. The grapes were also on sale for $1.98 a pound. So I grabbed a bag of those. I'll need to wash those up. And then I've been buying avocados, and last week I bought an avocado, and Adam said, would you like me to just throw this directly into the trash since you've been buying them and not eating them? And so I thought, well, I'll try this Good Foods avocado mash, because this keeps a lot longer, obviously, and it's just avocado mashed with salt and pepper. I've seen this before at Costco, but I really wouldn't have a reason to buy like a huge package of it like that. So it's nice that you can get this at Walmart, and 4 packs in there. So I grabbed that instead of wasting another avocado this week. And then I got some cilantro. This will be for chicken fajitas. I got 1 cucumber and 1 orange pepper. The kids really like this cut up in cucumber dipped in ranch dressing. I got some cinnamon applesauce. Connor told me that cinnamon is his favorite flavor of applesauce, so I got that for him and Kira to take in their lunches this week. I got some smoked deli turkey. This was on an Ibotta rebate for 75 cents off, so I grabbed that. This is the kind of cheese that Kira likes on her sandwiches. It's just the sliced sharp cheddar, so I got 1 package of that, and then I got just a regular 8-ounce block of sharp cheddar for a recipe, and then sharp cheddar cheese sticks. These are nice to have in the fridge for a snack. And then this, they had a coupon on coupons.com. I printed off for, I think it was 75 cents off, and I believe I've had this before. This isn't really something I would buy all the time because it's a little bit pricey, but since I had the coupon, I decided to get it. So it is the Sabra, I don't know, some people say Sabra, I always say Sabra. Sabra breakfast avocado toast. And then I did get some hot dogs, and so sometimes Adam likes chili dogs, and so I just got the Great Value beef chili with no beans for that. And then I got some of my favorite kombucha. This is the Synergy Watermelon Wonder flavor, and then the other one that I like, I think, is called Gingerberry. I didn't see that there, so I just went ahead and got some of the watermelon, and yes, I've already almost drank it all. So for canned items, I did get a small can of Bush's baked beans. I figured that I could give these to Kira in a thermos for lunch. She likes this with cut up hot dogs in it, like beanie weenies. So I went ahead and grabbed that for her. This is a really small can, so it'll be just the perfect size. I got 4 cans of spaghetti and meatballs for the kids, 2 cans of tomato soup. I'm sorry if there's a shadow in here, but this light right up here is out, and we tried to get one locally, but they didn't have them, so we have it on order from Amazon. So it's a little bit shadowy over here, which isn't normally the case, but we'll press on. So I got some peaches. These are just the jarred peaches, and I believe Adam likes these with cottage cheese, so I'll stick those in the fridge. The kids will eat them too as a side for dinner. I got Connor some of his favorite chicken dipping sauce, aka high fructose corn syrup, in a bottle. but he really likes to have that with chicken nuggets. And then I got some half and half for coffee. I also got some mac and cheese just to have in the pantry. I don't really know if there's a difference between this Great Value and the Kraft, but this was only 50 cents a box, which I thought was a great deal. And I'm not really a mac and cheese connoisseur, and anytime I've made it for the kids, they don't seem to mind. So I grabbed 3 boxes of that. I got 1 sugar-free Rockstar for Adam. And then for the kids' lunch boxes this week, and probably into next week, I got some of the Capri Sun Roaring Waters in the Tropical Tide. And then I almost wasn't going to get these. So these were only $1, these Kool-Aid Bursts in the cherry. And I thought, I'm not going to get these because they probably have a bunch of sugar in them. Actually, these have less calories and less sugar than, I don't know if it'll focus, less calorie and less sugar than the Capri Suns do. So they have 20, let's see if I can get it to focus, there we go, 20 calories and only 5 grams of sugar per container. And this has 30. So isn't that crazy? I didn't realize these were low sugar, so I got those. I normally get sugar-free lemonade also because I just make it up in a big pitcher and we have it in the refrigerator. So I got some of the raspberry lemonade. These chicken nuggets are really good. The Pilgrims, they're chicken breast nuggets, the tempura kind. If you make them in the air fryer, really crispy, they almost taste like McDonald's chicken nuggets. It's very weird. It's kind of weird how well they are, you know, how much they taste like McDonald's chicken nuggets. But I'm going to be out of town later on this week, so I figured Adam and the kids could have those. I also had a paper coupon for the Yoplait Wii yogurt. I think it was $1 off of 4, and I love to have this for breakfast with granola. So I got 1 black cherry, 1 mango, 1 vanilla, and 1 lemon. Adam was like, do they still make shake and bake? And I was like, I don't know. And so I actually found it there, shake and bake, extra crispy. So I just got this to have on hand. I do have some pork chops in the freezer, so if we want to do shake and bake pork chops sometime in the next few weeks, I can make those. I also got just some of the Great Value thin sliced roast beef. I do have some brioche buns, and I thought these would be good, like for maybe Adam and I to take like a roast beef and cheese sandwich to work and heat it up for lunch. So I just kind of got the cheap roast beef. If I was, you know, this isn't like really my favorite or anything like that, I would rather get it from the deli counter, but I was in a hurry and I just decided to get that kind. And then I got some hot dogs. These will just be for meals or whatever. Cut them up, put them in mac and cheese, put them in beanie weenies, whatever. I got 1 of the Ore-Ida Just Crack an Egg. This was a Fetch rebate. I believe it was 50 cents off. So I got 1 of these, the Ultimate Scramble. Adam likes those for breakfast. I also got a loaf of whole wheat bread. I got some of these for Connor, the Lala yogurt smoothie with probiotics. This is a strawberry flavor. He really likes yogurt smoothies, and I figured these would be a little bit better for him than like the Danimal ones, and they have probiotics in them, so that's good. I got some blueberry cheesecake ice cream because that looked delicious. And then for the kids to have in the pantry for like a quick breakfast or snacks to take to school, I got some of the Great Value Chewy granola bars. It comes with peanut butter, chocolate chunk, and s'mores. Okay, we're also totally out of microwave popcorn, and this is our favorite kind. It's the Pop Secret Home Style. To me, this tastes the closest to real butter, and so I just went ahead and got a 12-pack of this. It was less than $5, which I didn't think was too bad for 12 bags. I got some waffle fries for the kids to have with the chicken nuggets, and then this was an impulse buy on my part. I have not had these forever. The toaster scrambles, they're basically like the bacon, egg, and cheese toaster strudels. Have you guys had these before? I remember having these like when I was a kid, and they are totally unhealthy and really delicious. Let me know if you've tried these before. But anyway, I don't even know the last time I bought these. Probably 5 years ago. I don't know if ever, but I saw them and I was like, oh, I'm gonna get that. Okay, some hot dog buns, and then I thought this was fun too. I'll probably end up putting some of this in the freezer just because we won't eat it all before it goes bad, but this is a limited edition Pepperidge Farm Strawberry Swirl. So I thought that would be fun to either have for toast or French toast. And then for drinks, I just got one 12-pack of the Mandarin Orange sparkling water and one 12-pack of the strawberry sparkling water. This is not like the LaCroix sparkling water. This is actually sweetened, so it kind of just tastes like, you know, diet strawberry soda or diet orange soda, but it's clear. And these are only $2.76 for a 12-pack, and so we get these a lot because they're 0 sugar and they're nice to have on hand in the fridge. And then for non-food items, so I did have a coupon that I got in the paper for buy one get one free of the Love Beauty and Planet, and then also there was a fetch reward for this for like $1 off, so I ended up getting both of these for like less than $6. If you've never smelled this before, it smells really good. It's the what does that say? Muru butter and rose, I don't know, shampoo and conditioner. It smells delicious. This was also a fetch rebate. I think it was $1.25 back. Just the Dove shower, what is this called? Shower gel body wash? I don't know. That's the kind I use. I really like it. This ended up being basically like 13 cents because it was 97 cents in the store, and then you got 85 cents back with the Fetch app. So I got this. It is Excite body wash. I don't know, it smells a little bit like citrus. I will give that to Kira. And then I also had a coupon for this, and it was also in the Fetch Rewards app, so it ended up being like less than $1. This is the Suave Rosemary and Mint Conditioner. I got that for Kira. And then I didn't have a coupon or anything for this, but I had saw this mentioned on a video, and I thought I would try it. It's the Olay Rinse Off Body Conditioner. They had several different scents, but this one I thought smelled the best, so I grabbed that. I got 2 loofahs for me and Adam. I like getting these at Walmart because we try to toss them out after a couple weeks, and these are only $1, so really good price for that. And then for my sink upstairs that is clogged with my hair, I got some liquid plumber, and I also had a coupon that I got out of the paper for $1 off that. So that is everything I got this week. Let me show you what the meal plan is. Okay, so on Saturday night we had a Tovala meal, and if you're not familiar with their meals and their oven, I will link their site in the description box below, but it was meatballs with gnocchi and a salad. It was delicious. Tonight we had panko crusted chicken with mashed potatoes and corn. It was delicious. Tomorrow on Monday night I'm planning on making chicken fajitas with all of the fixings and some yellow rice in the Instant Pot. Tuesday, my kids have a fundraiser night for school once a year, and it's at McDonald's, so they want to go and eat there, so that's what we're going to do. Wednesday, I'm going to make orange chicken with rice and broccoli, and then I'm actually going to be out of town this weekend. I am going on a weekend trip with some of my girlfriends, so I've got plenty of stuff. That's kind of why I got more like convenience foods this week for Adam to fix the kids while I'm gone. So that's what we're having for dinner this week. All right, thank you guys so much for watching this grocery haul and meal plan. I will link some other videos that you might be interested here on the end screen, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how I played for you? I was scrappy, but